Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2026 Mercedes GLA and I'll be showing you how to do a factory reset. This video will apply to these vehicles made from 2020 all the way up to 2026, so the third generation. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. On the main dashboard screen, first you want to tap this home button to get to the main menu, and then you want to go all the way to the right until you reach settings. Select that and then select system here, and you want to scroll all the way down here to reset. Select it. Now, resetting may take a few minutes. The vehicle may only be moved again once the driver display, among other things, is available again. So if you proceed with this, you won't be able to drive the vehicle for a couple of minutes. And also pay attention to, if you do this, you will lose all of your information in the vehicle. So stored phones, stored contacts, radio presets, any memory settings you will lose. So I will not do it all the way. You see data loss, all your data will be deleted. Some settings can only be reset when stationary. I will not do this because I don't want to lose all of my data, but if you proceed to do it, just keep that in mind. In some cases, when the software freezes or the screen is slow or you have radio issues, sometimes this reset can help you out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.